Hi guys, I'm really excited about today's recipe. This one is for my take on a golden ray. Now you know that we Caribbean or Trini people love cooking with our golden ray, and it's really hard to find it here in the US. So I've come up with my version. So to start, I'm using some unsalted butter, and I'm going to place this unsalted butter into my microwave and soften. Now I'm going to use the butter setting or the softened setting on the microwave because I don't want it to get like oil. I just want it to soften to a nice creamy consistency. Once it's there, we're going to go ahead and add our flavorings. Now, one of the main ingredients is the annatto or uku powder, so I'm going to go in with some of that. Now I got this out here in the supermarket. Publix carries it, and Food Town. I'm going in with some goya adobo all-purpose seasoning. This is going to give it more flavor. Usually palm oil is also added, and if you have that and you wanted to put some, you can. I don't have it, and I'm trying to make this as easy as possible. So mix, allow that to come together and see if the color is there. If it's not, go in with some more annatto. In total, I'm using half a teaspoon. I did not need more than that. So you want to mix that in. It's still going to be nice and creamy. Now there are a lot of solids in there, and we wouldn't want to keep those solids in there. You can if you wanted to, but I don't want to. So I'm going to place it into the microwave, allow it to get oil consistency. And then all we have to do is go ahead and line the container we want to place this in. And we're going to strain this out into the container. Now the reason for lining the container is so that it's easier to come out. Now that's if you were taking it out, but you can just put it into the container without lining it. This goes into your freezer until it's solid, or you can stay in your refrigerator. Once it's solid, you'll take it out of the paper and store it in whatever container you want to store it in, and then it's ready to be used. This is very comparable to golden ray in my opinion. It tastes very similar, and it was very easy to put together. See, no sediments once you strain it properly. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know down below if you like it. Thank you so much for everyone who has requested this recipe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.